Folks, it's Will Stone, Rugged Mountain Custom RV, Caldwell, Idaho. Today we're going to talk about the dirty L word, labor. Labor is the most controllable expense of any business. I don't care what you're building. If you're building a watch, a shoe, a house, an RV. We're going to dispel some rumors here. There's three pieces that go in a camper or RV that pretty much the entire industry has done away with. GIMP molding, F molding, and quarter round. So this is quarter round, and we've heard lots of reasons that these companies have gotten rid of this. But what it really boils down to is labor. No one wants to pay to put it in. I mean, this isn't necessarily an expensive product to buy, but it's a necessary product to buy. So this is a cab. We're over in our cab shop on the Polar line right now, and I want Christine to get a close-up of this. So to put quarter round on, all the staples that go in this, and all these other companies, folks, have just done away with this because it's labor. It's labor intensive to get this thing attached. So we've got quarter round on this side, and let's come over and look at this wall. So here's one of our walls sitting here that's going to go, that looks like it's a 990. But if we look at this quarter round, what it does is it provides a gap, it provides a stop gap rather, between the wall and the ceiling. So that's what you see. And if you guys look around in other RVs, you're just not going to see it anymore. What they'll actually do is when they have that wall on and the ceiling's on, this is the interior of the coach, they'll actually just take a caulk gun and caulk along that line because it's so much quicker and way less expensive than having someone in a cab shop put quarter round. So look around at the RVs in your neighborhood, at your local dealerships, and look for this stuff. There's very, very few of us doing it because it is labor intensive. So there you go.